Welcome to this DIY Science Toolkit update on the user experience. So here we have the observation data for today from me band 3. So there's beats per minute and activities and steps. And we can change to the average. So we basically have this context and then the kind of computation and learn. And now with this average heart rate daily is actually the summation and the average of all these averages. So the next stage is to do it for your resting heart rate. So we'll take that from the categorization from the wearable initially. But we need to update the UI to make that possible. So let's go back to the observation data. So we're doing this on a daily basis. So here's a good example. So now we've got these two sliders, and now we switch this on, the tools on. You'll see as we move the start and end points. So here's the question: when do we start the points? When the activity does, or sometime before and sometime after? Well, let's let the user decide. And then we can choose the recovery heart rate computation. And here we have the summary. And this is not fully active yet, but it shows you how you've got this user experience where you have selected something and the computation just works on it, whereas when this is closed, the computation will work on the whole segment of a day. So we really need to distill these two concepts, so we're working on that, and there'll be a short video to show how maybe we can allow that level of detail, and also as the world gets more complex in terms of types within data types, you can segment the activity, you can segment the time. Obviously we've still got the different visualization modes too, and the time back and forward. So anyway, we'll do a short video on that next. Thanks.